Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel at Lisa J's World. I'm coming to you with a what fits in my Tilly 23 color block crossbody bag. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what fits in her, and also to let you know that I did put my phone inside the bag to make sure that my Samsung Note 10 Plus would fit in this bag. And it does fit with everything that I'm getting ready to show you that fits inside this bag. But right now I'm filming on my phone, so I just wanted to let you know that my phone did fit in this bag. Now, after fitting everything in here, this pocket is pretty, well, it's not as stiff now because I took the phone out. But with my phone, this pocket is really stiff. It probably will loosen up from time to time, and this is the only downfall of this. These particular hoops are in the way because I tried to put my phone inside here, and it probably would have gotten in there, but these are just too in the way. And even if I did fit the phone in here eventually, it would be a little bit of a challenge to pull it in and out. So I'm not even going to worry about putting my phone in the back of this unless it's sitting upright while I'm driving in the car, you know. Okay, so let's get into what fits inside of her. And I have my I forgot to tell you guys that there's a slip pocket here in the back, very back wall of this bag. And so what I would do, I would not carry a wallet. I would probably carry a slim card case. I just don't have it with me right now. So I would put the slim card case right here for my ID and everything I needed while I was using this bag. I was able to fit my sunglasses in there because that's probably most likely what I would be carrying. This is my sunglasses, my mirror. Of course, I would carry my sanitizer. My potpourri spray here, that's what I want to call it. And inside the zipper pocket, I have my little lotion, I have my contacts, I have a lipstick, and I have a lip gloss. And like I said, I have my cell phone in the back pocket next to this slip pocket that's attached to the back wall. So I have my cell phone there, and it fit fine with no problem. So I just wanted to come by real quick just in case someone was interested in purchasing this bag. It comes in different colors. I'm not sure if it's still available on the Coach Outlet website. So thank you for stopping by my channel and seeing what fits inside my Tilly 23 in the color block, multicolor color block bag. So until next time, guys, thanks again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.